have a box opening, and this is my last box opening that I have coming for Reborns in any of the foreseen future. I have no others coming, no others ordered, no others really in mind. I have a couple kits that I'd like to get painted, a couple kits that are on their way that I could get painted, but for now, this is it. So, hope it's a good one. And it just got here, and I decided I would hurry and do a box opening. So, my address is still securely on top. So we're going to be careful. It's very light. It's very little, which is going to be fun. I've seen pictures of the baby, and she's really cute. So, the artist's address is on there too. So, it's a recycled box, so we'll be very careful. Anyway, I don't think she will come with much. This is a custom that I asked to have done, but the artist ordered the kit and everything with it. This is the one that, holy cow, this is the one that had problems with the eyes. So the eyes, she had to order special eyes, and so she ordered the special eyes and then got notification that the eyes had got shipped back to the seller. So she had to wait for them to get there again. So this is it. It's a little tiny one. And a little sticker says thank you for supporting a small business. I don't think, well, I know she usually, when she paints babies, puts pictures up on her Instagram, but she did not put pictures of this baby up, and so maybe that's just something she only sometimes put pictures up. I think she's always posted the pictures of the kits she has painted for me, but this is kind of an abnormal request, I'm thinking. So she hasn't been shared publicly with anyone. It's in this nice blanket. I don't know. Are these muslin blankets? So we'll just start with, oh, her leg fell off. With her legs and her feet. So here's her little feet. Oh, she's cold. So here's her little feet. Oops. Where's the camera? Here's her little feet, and her little leg has fallen off. So I will have to pop that back in. Yes, I do have another kit like this. And yes, I had problems with that one's head popping off, and it took me like over a half hour to 20 to 30 minutes to get her head back on, because they don't move very well. There, got it back on. Oh, she's cute. She has bent legs. These little kits, you can get bent legs or straight legs. I didn't give a preference, so I was given short bent legs, which I think are cute. Will be just fine. There's her hands, and here's her face. And it's Little Kissy by Marita Winters. And I had her painted in albino colors. Gotta push that leg back in there. Sometimes I think the cotton and stuff makes it a little hard for them to stay in. But I have little cloth diapers that I bought. So here's a Little Kissy. These are her pale eyes that caused problems. And she has white painted hair. It's kind of close. White painted hair, pale skin tone, puckery cute lips. I think the coloring fits this kit really well. Look at her little chubby belly. She's really cute. Her head actually moves a lot better, I think, than Annika, and that is my other one. So let's grab Annika. So here's Annika. She's my other Marita Winters kit, and she has the straight legs. Yeah, see, her head doesn't turn as good as Kissy's. Kissy's turns from side to side. Annika's, when I guess it kind of does. I was nervous because when I first got her and I turned it, that's when it popped off. So, there we go. 2 little ones. And I have some little booties I bought for her, and I have some little outfits that I think will be cute on her. So that's my newest baby, my newest Reborn. Little Kissy by Marita Winters, a little mini. Can't remember how tall they are, 10 inches, something like that. And she's got the great, like, varnish ceiling. Oh, did I ever say who painted her? No. Oh, see, that leg's gonna give us problems. Her leg fell off again. I have to stick it on. So her artist was Tiny Gifts Nursery. Of course, you should have known, or if you don't know, because I love her albino skin tones. I love all of her skin tones, but my Dwayne that she painted I really like, and I think that's the only one I've had albino. I think this is my 3rd baby by her. So it's Kissy, Marita Winters, and here's her little birth certificate. She's 12 inches. So she was painted by Tiny Gifts Nursery. And she's as big as her card. So I hope you enjoyed seeing her. She weighs 1 pound, 1.2 pounds. And she'll be fun to dress. I'll have to get out my little clothes that I bought when I ordered Annika and see what we got that will fit her. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. And we're going to fix her leg. They are not anatomically correct because, which is good, even though I don't have boy clothes. When I first saw pictures of her, I was thinking, oh, she almost looks like a little boy. But I don't really have very many boy clothes, if any, her size. I had some when I had my silicones. I had a Kimberly Dolls silicone, and I still have one little boy silicone, but I think he's a little bigger. He's a little wider. Some of these joints. So see? Cute baby. Her leg's back on. I just thought we'd do that really quick. I wish I would have got the clothes out. I didn't even think of that. We could have put something on her. Anyway. It's kind of fun that she can sit, because that's one thing with Mini, Annika, oh, she's gonna fall though, is that I can't really sit her. I mean, I guess I could try. I keep worrying about her legs falling off too. So she doesn't sit super well. I usually just kind of have her standing or laying. I guess her legs do bend. See, I'm more brave now. All of a sudden, I have this one, so I'm being more brave with Annika. Anyway, we'll have to do a video maybe with her some clothes on. So there's a little Kissy Wissy. I'll probably keep her name Kissy because I think it's really cute. And I don't have any babies I've ever had named anything like that. So there's little Kissy Wissy. Hope you all have a lovely day, and we'll see you again soon. Love you guys. Say bye. I'm a cutie. Bye.